Hey there, Dr. Salinger back with another important tip on healing today. We're talking about heat therapy, how to use it to relax muscles, ease chronic pain, and recover faster. But as simple as it sounds, people often use it wrong, way too often. Stay tuned to find out the best way to use heat therapy and avoid the common mistakes that could set you back. Heat therapy is your best friend for chronic pain, muscle stiffness, or after the initial swelling process has gone down after an injury. It's perfect for conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, muscle spasms, even recovering from long-term injuries. The warmth increases the blood flow, which can help muscles relax and promote healing. Think of heat therapy as the opposite of ice. It's great for loosening up tight muscles and relieving pain all over, but if you use it correctly. Now, mistake number one is people overuse heat. Heat feels so good that we have a tendency that it doesn't mean that you should keep it on for too long or for hours at a time. Keeping heat therapy to 15 to 20 minutes per session, just like with ice, or you risk the chance of burns to your skin. Take a break before reapplying the heat is very important. Too much heat can actually make the inflammation worse, so you don't want to overdo it. Mistake number two, applying heat to a fresh injury. This is a big one. Heat feels comforting, but if you've got a new injury with swelling, heat can actually increase the inflammation and delay your healing. Remember, use ice for new injuries and save heat therapy for later in the recovery process when the swelling has gone down and you're dealing with stiffness, muscle aches, and chronic pain. There are also times when heat therapy isn't safe. If you have poor circulation, diabetes, heart conditions, heat therapy might not be the best option for you. Always check with your doctor before applying heat if you have any of those underlying health conditions. To sum it up, use heat therapy for chronic pain and stiffness, but keep it to 15 to 20 minutes and never apply it to a fresh injury. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to faster recovery. And if you want to know even more about the best ways to recover from injury, check out my other videos. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. Until next video, take care.